snow is glistening. It's a wonderful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
The first story I made, and that I can make on a paper like this.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now.
De får berätta strax vad det är. Så det är kvar om man vill smaka lite. Och sen så ska vi dela ut presenter till alla.
Silja, come here.
Mulla on 2 last, mulla on 2, miten mulla on?
By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe
that one working?
Anybody feels the
I
way
want
I do about
It's
you
the first
now.
time in my life. Okay, greetings to mommy and daddy.